Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to make your computer fast. First, go to Start and search bar and type disk cleanup. So I can see in the first. So open it, and it will pop up a window. Do you want to allow this app make to change your device? Then you need to allow it. So click to yes. Then it will ask the disk which you want to clean. Then first select disk C. Then it will be cleared in few seconds. Then you want to tick which you want to delete permanently. So this shows some cache files in this device. So you can click OK. Then delete files. Okay, then it will delete. Now you can see, now it was deleted. Now it will be more faster than before. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.